Hey everyone, welcome back to TechFrontier, where we make complex tech simple and easy to follow. In this video, I'll show you how to install Linux Mint inside VirtualBox step by step, from downloading the ISO, creating the virtual machine, all the way to installing guest editions for a full-screen, seamless experience. Before we begin, make sure you already have VirtualBox installed on your system. If not, you can grab it for free from the official Oracle website. All right, let's jump right in. We'll start inside the VirtualBox interface. But before setting up the machine, we need to make sure we have the Linux Mint ISO file. So I'm opening Google Chrome, heading to a new tab, and searching Linux Mint download. Let's click on the first link. That's the official linuxmint.com website. Here, you'll see 3 different editions of Linux Mint: Cinnamon, Mate, and XFCE. Cinnamon is the most popular one, offering a modern look and a smooth experience, so that's the one we'll use in this video. Once we click Cinnamon, we're taken to its download page. You'll see some basic details, followed by a checksum section for file verification, and below that, a list of mirror servers where you can download the ISO from. I'll pick one of the mirrors here to start the download, but since I already have the ISO file saved, I'll cancel the download and proceed with the one I have ready. Now back to VirtualBox. Let's click on New to create our virtual machine. I'll name mine Linux Mint. Notice how VirtualBox automatically sets the type to Linux and the version to Ubuntu, 64-bit. That's perfect. Once everything looks good, click Finish, and your new machine will appear in the list. Before we start it, let's go into the settings to make a few important adjustments. Under System, I'll increase the base memory to 8 GB, which gives Mint plenty of room to run smoothly. Then under Display, I'll set video memory to 128 MB for better graphics performance. Next, go to Storage, click the empty disk icon under Controller, IDE, and select Choose a disk file. Here, I'll add the Linux Mint ISO we downloaded earlier. Once that's attached, click OK, and we're all set to start the machine. Let's hit Start, and our virtual machine will begin booting from the ISO. After a few seconds, the Mint boot menu appears. Let's select Start Linux Mint. It'll take a little time to load, and then you'll land on the Mint Live desktop environment. Before we start the installation, I'll open the Start menu just to show you what the interface looks like: clean, modern, and easy to navigate. Now let's double-click Install Linux Mint. The setup begins with a few configuration steps. First, we'll choose our language, which defaults to English, so we'll just continue. Next is the keyboard layout. English US is already selected, but you can scroll through to see the other options before continuing. Now, check the box to install multimedia codecs. This ensures you'll have smooth playback for audio and video later. For installation type, select Erase Disk and install Linux Mint. Don't worry, this only affects the virtual disk we created, not your real computer. A confirmation pop-up appears showing the partitions that will be created. Click Continue. Next, choose your time zone. Then enter your name, computer name, username, and password. Once done, hit Continue, and the installation begins. This process can take several minutes as files are copied, extracted, and configured, so just wait patiently until it's done. When the installation finishes, it'll ask you to remove installation media and press Enter. Just press Enter, and the machine will reboot. You'll then see the login screen. Enter your password, and welcome to your brand new Linux Mint desktop. I'll open the Start menu again to show you everything's running smoothly. Before wrapping up, let's install guest editions for a better VirtualBox experience. In the VirtualBox menu bar, click Devices. Insert Guest Editions CD image. Inside Mint, open the folder that appears and run the installer file. You might be prompted for your password. Just enter it, and the setup will continue automatically. Once completed, restart your system. Now you'll notice the display automatically resizes when you change the window size. And your mouse moves seamlessly between host and guest. Everything looks crisp and integrated. That means guest editions are working perfectly. And that's it. You've successfully installed Linux Mint Cinnamon inside VirtualBox, complete with full-screen support and system integration. This setup is perfect for testing Linux, learning commands, or even using it as your daily environment, all without affecting your main system. If this tutorial helped you, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to TechFrontier, and turn on notifications so you don't miss our next Linux and AI guides. Drop a comment below if you'd like a follow-up on advanced VirtualBox tips or dual boot installation. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.